What is MPPT and how does it boost solar energy? Imagine you have a solar panel on your roof, soaking up sunlight all day. But did you know that just because sunlight hits the panel doesn't mean you're getting the most energy out of it? That's where MPPT, or maximum power point tracking, comes into play. It's a smart technology that helps your solar system produce the highest amount of electricity possible. Solar panels don't always operate at their best. Their power output depends on sunlight, temperature, shading, and how they're connected to other parts of the system. The relationship between a solar panel's voltage and current is not straight line, it's a curve. There's a specific point on this curve called the maximum power point where the panel delivers the most energy. But this point shifts as weather and conditions change. An MPPT controller is like a clever navigator for your solar system. It constantly checks the voltage and current coming from the panels. Using special algorithms, it adjusts the electrical load to keep the panel working at or near its maximum power point. This adjustment is often done with a device called a direct current to direct current converter, which can change the voltage and current levels to match what your batteries, inverter, or the grid need. Without MPPT, your system might run at a fixed voltage, which doesn't always match the panel's optimal point. This mismatch can cause you to lose a significant chunk of potential energy, sometimes between 10 and 30%. MPPT technology recovers this lost energy by ensuring the solar panel always operates at its most efficient point, even when the weather changes or the panel gets shaded. In real-world applications, MPPT is used in charge controllers for battery systems and inverters for grid-connected solar setups. Modern MPPT controllers are very efficient, often converting between 93 and 97% of the available solar power into usable electricity. The actual energy gain depends on factors like temperature, shading, and how charged the batteries are. During winter, MPPT can boost energy yields by 20 to 45%, and in summer, by 10 to 15%, compared to systems without it. Large solar power plants also use MPPT technology built into their inverters. These inverters constantly sample the solar array's output, compare it to the optimal range, and adjust the operating point for maximum power. This not only increases overall energy collection but also helps the inverter run more efficiently. One interesting technical aspect is that sometimes the power voltage curve of a solar array can have multiple peaks, especially when parts of the array are shaded unevenly. Advanced MPPT algorithms are designed to find the highest of these peaks, called the global maximum power point, ensuring the system gets the most energy possible even in tricky conditions. To sum it up, MPPT is a vital part of modern solar energy systems. It uses real-time data and electronic controls to keep solar panels working at their best, no matter how the weather or environment changes. This technology boosts the amount of energy your system produces, making solar power more effective and reliable. Whether you're installing a small home system or managing a large solar farm, understanding and using MPPT can make a big difference in how much clean energy you generate.